Fanny, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about skincare, hair care and beauty. If this is something that interests you, welcome. You are in the right place. Please consider subscribing by clicking the subscription box below so that you can keep up to date with my tips and guides to a more beautiful you. So, have you ever used a cheap cleanser that is not over drying or leaving your skin feeling tight? Well, a new simple water boost micellar facial gel wash has it for you, and you know how to use it correctly. Watch till the end to find out. Well, this gel claims that it is infused with skin essential minerals and plant extract, the formula that delivers instant hydration and gentle yet effective cleansing, and it is perfect for even sensitive skin. It has a light hydrating water gel formula and specially designed for hydration. It contains no harsh chemicals, artificial colors or perfume, making it perfectly suitable for dehydration, dry or sensitive skin. It is dedicated to reversing the 5 signs of dehydration, that is dryness, roughness or feeling of tightness in the skin, dullness and dehydration lines, which leave the skin feeling dewy, fresh. And one of the ingredients is cocamidophyll peptide, which is very tolerant to the skin, and actually it is recommended for use in foaming products designed for use by babies and infants, which is actually suitable for those who may be prone to eczema or sensitive skin. Well, this sounds like a very good cleanser. So let's go straight to how to use it. So first of all, you want to wash your hands just to avoid transfer of bacteria from your hands to your face. Then before you use any product, you want to go ahead and read the instructions on how to use it. Then I'm going to use this bowl of water. Then I'm going to put this product in my hands, and I'm going to wet my face, and I'm going to lather it on my hands. Then I'm going to gently massage it on my skin. So these products also remove makeup. So if you had makeup, you can use actually a flannel to help you get all the dust out of your skin. So I'm just going to massage it on my skin and just to make sure I get all the dots. Just using my hands because I just woke up. So these products also contain propylene glycol, an ingredient that is added to the cosmetics to increase moisture retention in the skin. So it's a very good product for moisture retention in your skin. Then I'm going to rinse my face off, and I'm going to pat dry my skin. Just make sure you're gentle to your face and your skin. Then this is how my skin looks like. It feels so moistured and hydrated, and it doesn't feel tight, or it doesn't feel I don't feel any uncomfortable with this product. So I'm just going to go ahead and applying a moisturizer. So you can apply any moisturizer of your choice, and make sure you use a sunscreen after that. Otherwise your moisturizer is not going to actually be more effective on your skin. So this is how my skin feels like or looks like. Oh, this is a very cheap and cheerful cleanser. I bought it at £4.99. It's a very good cleanser, so go ahead and try it and let me know how it goes with your skin. And it is a very perfect cleanser for dry skin. I have a combination skin, so it's really sitting well on my skin. So if you have a very dry skin, you can still go ahead and try it. It's very well hydrated and very nice. So I will highly recommend this gel wash. It's very nice and very gentle to the skin. So go and try it and let me know on the comments section below. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.